Thank you for joining us here at the Mission Control Center at the Johnson Space Center. I'm joined today by Trinesha Dixon, who is our project lead for the Micro G Next undergraduate student program. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So let's start by just telling us about the Micro G Next experiment.
So MicroG Next is an opportunity for undergraduate students to design and construct their own EVA tools. This year we focused on spacewalk tools and how we could use those for an upcoming asteroid mission.
And what kind of challenges are you giving these students?
The students have the same challenges our EVA engineers have here at NASA, and so there are actually 5 that we presented to them, and they would take on the ones that they felt comfortable taking on. One of the most popular was the rock chip sampler, and so that one they had to design a tool that would actually chip off a portion of an asteroid, collect the sample without any cross contamination.
These are intense challenges for these students. How do you actually test them?
When the students come here to the NBL for what we call a test week, we treat them just as they're the engineers here, and so they go through a test readiness review with the safety board at the NBL. Our professional divers will dive with the tools, and the students act as the test conductors, so they conduct the dives and do the real-time communication with the divers while they go through the simulations.
So they get the full experience as if they were working here as part of the NASA team.
Yes, this is a real-world experience for them.
So I've heard that earlier this summer you already had some student teams come. How did that go?
It was quite fantastic, and especially considering this is our first year of the program. It coincided with our 50th anniversary of EVAs here at NASA, which was great. And so the students came in, they were quite professional. They enjoyed their interaction with the divers and meeting our SMEs here at NASA.
So we have a whole new inspired generation that's going to probably be aspiring to join the NASA team, maybe, huh?
We do. They're a part of our technology drives exploration here at NASA.
So I understand that we have an interactive event coming up on Wednesday. Can you tell us about that?
We do. This is our live webcast, and we do this as an opportunity for the students to tell their story. And so each team will have an opportunity to talk about what we call the Micro G Next journey. So what they accomplished, how they accomplished it, and how it impacts their lives moving forward, and how it impacts NASA.
And how can people participate in that?
Everyone can join in to the live stream on the JSC Ustream channel on Wednesday. It'll air at 10:30 Eastern.
Fantastic. Well, thanks so much for joining us today. It sounds like a really exciting student program, and we're excited to hear more about it.
Thank you.
Again, this is Trinesha Dixon, the lead for the Micro G Next student program. Thanks again.
Thanks.